Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 21 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 78, subsets. Okay, so in this problem we have given an integer array nums, okay, of unique elements, and we have to return all possible subsets. Okay, the solution set must not contain duplicate subsets, and we have to return the solution in any order. Okay, so this is example 1 and this is the output for this particular example. Okay, so let's see how we are going to create the subsets. Okay, so now let's write our nums array. So this is my nums array. Okay, in nums array there are total 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so from this nums array I am going to create subsets. Okay, all possible subsets. Okay, so initially let's say my I is at this position. Okay, my I is at this position. Okay, now in my subset, if I want to include the element at this particular index, then my subset is going to look like this. Okay, I have included this one. Okay, and if I don't want to include the element at this particular index, then my subset is going to be empty only. Okay, so here I am including. Okay, here I am including, and here I am excluding. Okay, so okay, and now after that my nums array. Okay, this is my nums array, and in this nums array there are total 3 elements, right? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now my I moves to the next index. Okay, my I reaches at this particular index, and here also when I am excluding the current element, okay, the element at current index. Okay, so in this case also my I is going to move to the second position. Okay, this position. Okay, initially my I was at this position, now my I reaches to this position. Okay, now again from here, if I want to include the element at this particular index, or if I want to exclude. Okay, if I include the element at this particular index, then my subset is going to look like this, 1 and 2. Okay, and if I want to exclude the element at this particular index, then my subset is going to look like this. Okay, only 1 is there, right, if I want to exclude. Okay, and here also if I want to include and if I want to exclude. Okay, so if I want to include the element at current index, then my subset is going to look like this. Okay, and if I want to exclude the element at this particular index, then my subset is going to look like this. Okay, empty only. Okay, so here I am including. Okay, here I am including, and here I am excluding. Here I am including, and here I am excluding. Okay, this is clear. Now again let's write our nums array. Okay, so my nums array is like this only, right? 1, 2 and 3, and now my I reaches at this position. Okay, my I moves to the next position. Okay, and here also my I moves to next position. Okay, and here also my I moves to the next position, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so my I moves to this position, and here also my I moves to the next position. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, and my I moves to the next position here. Okay, now this is clear. Now again, if I want to include the element at current index, or if I want to exclude. If I want to include, if I want to exclude. Include, exclude, include, and here exclude. Okay, so now let's write the new subsets. Okay, so now new subsets is if I include the element at this current index, then my subset is going to look like this, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, if I want to exclude, then my subset is going to look like this, 1, 2 only. Okay, and if I want to include, then my subset is going to look like this, 1 and 3. In 1 we have added 3. Okay, 1, 3. If I want to exclude, then my subset is going to look like this, 1. Okay, if I want to include this element, then my subset is going to look like this, 2, 3. If I want to exclude, then my subset is going to look like this, 2. if I want to include the element at index this index, then my subset is going to look like this 3, and if I want to exclude, then my subset is going to look like this. Okay, empty subset. Okay, and here in the end, let's write our nums array. Okay, so here I am going to just write the nums array. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Okay, and my I reaches auto bound now. Okay, my I reaches auto bound. Okay, so same thing I have to write here, 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 and here. Okay, so everywhere my I reaches auto bound. Okay, right now my I reaches auto bound everywhere. Okay, so I don't need to proceed further. My I reaches auto bound. Okay, so I hope that this line is clear. Okay, so now my I reaches auto bound, so I don't need to perform anything. Okay, so now notice one thing here. This is one my subset. Okay, this is one of my subset. This is also 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 my subset, right? And this is also my subset, and this is also my subset. Okay, so in total how many subsets are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so how many elements are there in my nums array? 3. Okay, so 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so we have got our 8 subsets. Okay, so every time what I am doing, I am including, I am excluding, including, excluding. Okay, so same thing I am going to write in the code, including, excluding, including, excluding. Okay, same thing I am going to write in the code. And now see the example. Okay, let me copy this example one here. Okay, so see here, our result is matching, right? So see here, empty subset is there. Yes, empty subset is there. 1 is there. Yes, 1 is there. Okay, 2 is there. Yes, 2 is also there. 1 2 is there. Yes, 1 2 is also there. 3 is there. Yes, 3 is there. 1 3 is there. Yes, 1 3 is there. 2 3 is there. Yes, 2 3 is also there. And 1 2 3 is there. Yes, 1 2 3 is there. Okay, so in this way we have found all our subsets. Okay, so I'm going to write the same code now. Okay, whatever I have explained here. Okay, so now let's solve the problem. Okay, so now let's write the code for this particular problem. Okay, okay, so here I'm going to just call one method, generate subsets. Okay, and this method is going to return me all the subsets. Okay, so in this I am going to pass my nums array, my uh, initial index, starting index, and here let's pass my current subset, and one all subsets. Okay, okay, so here what is my current subset? Okay, so let's declare that as well. Okay, current subset is nothing but a list of integers, okay, this is my current subset. Okay, new array list. Okay, now let's write about my all subset. Okay, so all subset is nothing but list of integers. Okay, list of integers. Okay, all subsets is equal to new array list. Okay, so see here one thing. Okay, here see, this is one list, right? This is one list, 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 this is one list. Okay, all the subsets are in one list now, right? So that is why I am writing here list of integer is current subset, and when I am including all the current subsets in this list of integers. Okay, so I am writing it all subsets. Okay, so all subsets is whatever, nothing but there is one list, and inside this list there is a list of integers. Okay, list of integers. Okay, so I hope that this line is clear. Okay, so from here, after that I am going to, after generating all the subsets, I am just returning the all subsets. Okay, this is what we need to return, right? Okay, so now let's write the code for this generate subsets method. Okay, so private void generate subsets, and in this pass our nums array. Okay, so I am passing my nums array. Then after that pass the index, current index value. Then after that pass the current subset, which is nothing but list of integers, and after that pass all subsets. All subsets is nothing but list of integers. Okay, this is done. Then after that, inside this, when are we stopping here? So whenever my I reaches out of bound, okay, so at this position, okay, so this is nothing but 0th index, this is 1 index, and this is 2 index. And what is the size of my nums array? Size of my nums array is 3, right? So whenever my I reaches at this position, okay, out of bound, that is 3, okay, out of bound. Here I reaches out of bound, here out of bound, right? So in that case I am returning I am creating one subset. Okay, in that case I am just adding this subset in the my list of subsets. Okay, this is what I am doing here, right? I am just adding this my current subset in the list of all subsets. Okay, so this is what I have to write. So here, if my I is equal to nums dot length, then in that case I have to add all subsets. Okay, in my all subsets I have to add a new list. Okay, I have to add this list which is containing the elements of the current subset. Okay, so new array list, and here I am going to write current subsets. Okay, this is done. Now after that, from here we have to just return. Okay, now let's move further. Okay, so now every time there are two cases. First, if I want to include the element at current index, or if I want to exclude the element at current index. This is what I am doing. Okay, so first let's write if I want to include. Okay, so for that, in my current subset, if I want to include my current element. Okay, so current subset dot add the element at current index. So nums of I. Okay, if I want to include the element at current index, then if I include the element at current index, then again call this method. Okay, call this method, and now after that my I moves to next position. I moves to I plus 1. Okay, this is what's happening. Okay, and we have to again call this method. Okay, again call this method. If I don't want to add the current element at current index in my subset, okay, then I have to just remove it. Okay, this is my current subset, which is nothing but list of integers. Okay, in this list of integers I want to remove the last element that I have inserted. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get the size of my current subset list. Okay, I'm going to get the size of my current subset list, and from this I'm going to subtract -1. Okay, this is going to remove the element that I have inserted. Okay, then again I have to call this generate subsets method. Okay, I plus 1 again. Okay, so this is going to generate all the subsets for me, this method, and after that I'm just going to return the all subsets. Okay, so now let's try to run the code, okay, and see if there are any code issues. Yes, there is one code issue here. Let's see. So new array list current subsets. Okay, it's not subsets, it's just subset. Okay, any other issue in our code? Let's run it again. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit the code. So see, our solution is accepted and we have completed the streak of 111 days. Okay, 111 days. Okay, so see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, right? And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section.